Hello, my name is Chef Ben Diaz, and today I'm going to show you how to make chicken enchiladas with diced red chilies and cream cheese. The reason you want to make this dish is a great and delicious dish for any occasion. First off, we're going to take a 2-quart pot, put in 1 quart of olive oil, bring that to a boil. Next, add your tortillas one at a time. You're going to need about a dozen tortillas. First, cook them for about 30 seconds and then let them dry, drain. Next, take a large mixing bowl. We're going to have 1 cup of your diced peppers, 1 cup of cream cheese. We're going to mix it thoroughly to make a nice little combination. Next, we're going to take 1 tortilla and add a little bit of our mixture with about 2 ounces of diced cooked chicken. Roll them to a nice little tight cigar. We'll make another 12 of these. Next, we'll take your nice baking sheet, spray with canola oil, and add your enchiladas one at a time. Make sure they fit snugly. Next, we're going to add about a 1/4 cup of Jack and Cheddar shredded blend, a teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of minced jalapeno. Next, we're going to put this into a 450-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. What you'll have is going to be a great, delicious, and cheesy mix.